Yuli and Igor, how would you describe these oatcakes that we are putting in each order? You're supposed to say smashno.
Вместе, together.
Together.
Yes, okay.
Smashno.
окей.
Окей. Дубль
Еще,
два.
very, как громко.
Take
Просто
two.
смачно.
Окей.
Да, смачно, так и скажем. Окей.
Okay, we ready for take two?
Yeah.
3, 2, go.
Yuli and Igor, how would you describe?
Все.
Sounds good right there.
Все, быстро.
Okay, are we composed? In 3, 2.
Yuli and Igor, how would you describe these oatcakes that we're putting out with every order?
Смачно.
Смачно.
Smashno. What does that mean? Try it again.
In 3, 2.
Yuli and Igor, what do you think about these oatcakes that we put out with every order?
Смачно.
Смачно.
Smashno. What does that mean in English?
It's yummy.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.